Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start with the car safely supported and suspension settled. Measure the current static ride height at each corner with a tape and straight edge so you know baseline numbers. This matters because coilover adjustments only shift geometry relative to that baseline. Once done, unlock the lower locking rings, but do not rotate the perch yet. Make sure to note any camber or toe changes so you can compensate later, and have a marker ready to mark current perch positions. You now adjust each threaded perch to reach your target ride height. Do one corner at a time and move in predictable increments, for example 5 mm. This prevents overcorrection and lets the car settle evenly. After initial turns, lower the car onto stands and bounce it to load the springs, then remeasure, because ride height changes after settling. Once matched, torque the lock rings to spec and verify spring per load is within manufacturer limits to avoid coil binding or zero per load. You finish by putting the car on the ground, retorquing lock rings, and driving cautiously to confirm handling. Then remeasure after about 50 km because springs settle. If heights become uneven, address corner weights or repeat fine adjustments in small steps. This corrects roll center and alignment effects. If you encounter rubbing or binding, raise the affected corner and inspect clearance. Otherwise, double-check perch seating and spring orientation. A key tip:
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.